Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll use a cool text-to-speech Python library called Edge-tts. It offers a variety of high-quality, natural-sounding voices that can enhance your presentations or YouTube videos. First, open a terminal or command prompt and run the following commands to install the libraries Essentio and Edge-tts. Let's start with a simple example. Create a Python file and paste the following code. Run this script. You should hear Microsoft Edge reading the text. Hello. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, thank you. You can adjust speech rate, for example here, I will use plus 20%. Hello. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, thank you. Edge-tts offers various voices. Modify the script to select a specific voice. Here, I will use a female voice.
Hello. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, thank you.
In the next video I will show you how to generate subtitles using this same library.